wonderful morning to my dear Wonder Kids. Okay, so after a short break, we are again with our computer class. Okay, kids, so let's start our day with a new chapter. Are you all ready? Yes. Hey, what's that? Yes, it is a mouse. Mouse? Is there any relationship with mouse with a computer? Yes. As we studied in the previous lessons, we know that mouse is an important part of the computer. Yes, the part of the computer, the mouse is a part of the computer, and this mouse looks exactly like a real mouse, right? Look, this is a mouse. You all know that this is a mouse, and we have studied something about this mouse, right? Yes, while we study the lesson parts of a computer, we studied about the mouse. And I'm going to ask you some questions. Let us recall something about mouse, okay? How many buttons are there on a mouse? And what is the use of a mouse? Do you remember the answers of these questions? Yes. First question is, how many buttons are there on a mouse? Yes. What is the answer? A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. The second question is, what is the use of a mouse? What is the use? Yes. A computer mouse helps us to select any item on the screen. Okay. You have to select and point any item on the screen, and it also helps us to draw and play games, draw pictures and to play games. Do you remember that? Yes. Today we are going to study the lesson 5, handling a mouse. Look, as we studied earlier, we know that mouse is an input device, right? Mouse is an input device, and it is used to point any item on the screen, and also it helps us to draw pictures and play games, right? And it looks like a real mouse, right? Yes. So you know that it has 3 buttons on it, right? And it also has a tail which is attached to the CPU. With this tail or with this wire, it is connected to the CPU. Clear? And as we studied earlier, it has 3 buttons on it. And how we hold a mouse? Look, with the help of these 3 fingers, we hold a mouse like this, right? And as we studied, it has 3 buttons, right? And this button, this is the left button. The button on the left side is called the left button, and the button on the right side is called the right button. The button on the left side is called the left button, and the button on the right side is called the right button. Clear? Mouse pointer. It is a slant arrow on the screen which shows mouse movement, and it is different than a text cursor. As you move the mouse, the pointer moves on the screen in the same direction.
Earlier, the computer mouse had a roller ball at the bottom for movement. Nowadays, a mouse does not have any ball at the bottom. It uses infrared light instead of a ball for movement. This device is called an optical mouse.
Mouse pad. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse
How to
pad.
hold a mouse? Place your palm on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and 2 fingers. A scrolling wheel is usually there in between the left and right mouse buttons. Such a mouse is a scroll mouse. The wheel helps you to scroll a page up and down. Place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Now, move the mouse on the mouse pad and look at the movement of the pointer on the screen. It moves in the direction in which you move the mouse. Scrolling means moving up and down.
So, you understood how to handle a mouse. Okay, only half of the lesson we studied in this session. Okay, and also we have to study about what are the functions of the mouse. Okay, how we can use the mouse. There are different processes by which we can use a mouse. Clicking, okay, right clicking, left clicking, all those things are there. So that we can discuss in the next class. So hope you understand this much about the mouse. So you study well, you read the text well, and I will give you the difficult words given in this lesson. So you have to study all that. Okay kids, so we can meet in the next class with the other part of the lesson. Okay, thank you kids.